Hello Sagas, this is your Saga. Today we are going to watch some of the phrasal verbs with the cine clues. Hope you like this video. I grasp images which can be easily memorizable. So let's see the full video. Then give your comment which image you got more related to it in the comment section. Let's get into the topic. So let's listen the wordings of Swami Vivekananda and go to the topic. Never say no, never say I can't, for you are infinite. All the power is within you, you can do anything. How energetic and positive words he was given to us. So don't say no, don't say I can't. Just be positive and face everything with a positive mind. You can achieve all your goals, all your success in your life. With this best wishes, let's get into the topic. Breakdown. Breakdown means stop functioning. Here I given a image that from the movie called Endiran of Kollywood movie where the Chitty robot got dismantled and stopped functioning. So you can take that, or the other example I have given, the bus has breakdown. So the bus got repaired in between the path and breakdown, not functioning or not running like that. So you can memorize that too. Next, another meaning for breakdown is emotionally broken or exhaustion. So here I given a clue from the movie called 3 where Shruti Hassan came to know that Dhanush committed suicide due to some psychological disorders. So after knowing that, she got breakdown emotionally. Then she cried very loudly. So that particular scene you can mention for the word breakdown. Next, break into means enter by force. So entering by force called break into. Daya break into the house. So forcefully he is entering into the house. Here from the Anbe Shivam movie, he Mr. Kamal Hassan met with an accident. After that accident, he going to help his friend, but unfortunately, again that bus going down. So he forcibly entered into the glasses and got bad injuries in his faces and got many stitches in his faces. So you can break into means enter by force. Next word breakout. Breakout means spread or war or epidemic. Here I given a Hollywood film called Zombie. I don't know the exact name of the film. Here everybody affected by a particular virus, so they got zombie. They become a zombie, so they biting others and spreading the particular viruses. So that exactly film was very nail biting film where going very fast, so you can watch out also. Next one, breakthrough. Breakthrough means discover a secret. Discover a secret. Here I given a Hollywood movie Aladdin where he is having a small momentum. So from here that monster will come and fulfill the wishes of Aladdin. So you can memorize breakthrough, discover a secret. So somebody is trying to why Aladdin got this power. So they will break through and discover a secret what it is behind Aladdin's power. Here I given another clue. There is no hope of breakthrough in the murder case. What they are trying to say is there is no way out or there is no solution to break this particular murder case. Next one, break up, terminate or break the relationship. Here I given a Kollywood movie image which is VTV, Vinita and Varuvaya, where Simbu and Trisha got break up due to their life circumstances. So you can imagine that breakup is a common word. Everybody knows about it. Everybody, a lot of people experience also get about it. So it is like getting a break or a terminating fully a relationship or a function or a something like that. These are the words for today, friends. Hope you like the full video. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe and comment and follow. Don't forget to comment which image is related more uh, more about that particular word, which is grasping your attention, which image grasp more attention from you. Like that, you just comment that below. Thank you. Bye bye.